I have ordered the Axis Bank Fastag, and I have already seen the reviews on the Paytm Fastag, and the reviews aren't really good, so I have opted for this. And in Paytm, it costs around like 500 rupees or something like that. In Axis Bank, it costs 400. It costed me 400 rupees in total to get it. 200 rupees for the security deposit, and 200 rupees that can be used during the next stall payments or something like that. So I have got this fast tag today. After it is I ordered on 15th of December, and I have got on 27th of December. That means it took 12 days. Actually, the promise date was like 7 days from the payment, online payment for the toll, from for the fastag. um, so if anyone is curious what you are going to get if you order something from the Axis Bank fastag, here you can see it right now, I think. um, Basically, you get three things inside the fastag packaging. uh, a letter from the manager, that I think, and the fastag with instructions to how to um, attach it to your vehicle, I think. And the final content was the manual about how to recharge, how to use it during toll gate, during a visit to toll gate, I think. um, uh, that, that is all. And I have few doubts about it. Like, this uses something like radio frequency or something like that. Sure, it should be literally scanned, or it can be I mean